Have you ever wondered why brinjal, also called eggplant, European observers saw the fruits as small, white, and shaped just like goose or chicken eggs? That's where the name comes from. Fascinating, right? But brinjal isn't just about looks. With its vibrant purple shine, it's a kitchen staple worldwide and a true powerhouse of nutrients. Today on Discover Agriculture, we are diving into the complete journey of brinjal farming from planting to harvesting, along with pro tips to boost your yield. To grow healthy brinjals, the right climate is a key. They love warm weather, ideally between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, and they can't tolerate frost. So make sure your field gets plenty of sunlight at least 6 hours a day. Now the soil. Brinjal thrives in loamy, well-drained soil rich in organic matter with a pH of 5.5 to 6.5. Adding compost or well-rotted manure before planting not only enriches the soil but also boosts water retention. Start your journey in a nursery. Sow seeds 1 centimeter deep with about 5 to 6 inches between rows. In 4 to 6 weeks, when the seedlings reach 4 to 5 inches tall, they're ready for transplanting. In the field, space plants 2 to 2.5 meters feet apart. Why? Because good spacing means better air circulation, stronger growth, and fewer diseases. Think of it as giving your brinjals room to breathe. Brinjals love consistent moisture but hate waterlogging. Regular watering or better drip irrigation ensures roots stay healthy while saving water. For nutrition, apply NPK fertilizer before transplanting. Once flowering begins, feed your plants with organic manure or liquid compost every month. This keeps them strong and fruiting beautifully. Brinjals are a magnet for pests like aphids, whiteflies, and fruit borers. Check your plants regularly, especially under the leaves. For diseases like wilt or mildew, crop rotation and removing affected plants quickly can save your field. Encourage natural predators like ladybugs. They are tiny but powerful allies against pests. After about 60 to 70 days from transplanting, your plants will start giving shiny purple fruits. Harvest when they are firm but not overripe. And here's a secret. The more you pick, the more the plant produces. Handle them gently as brinjals bruise easily. Store in a cool, shaded place to keep them fresh longer. And that's the complete journey of brinjal farming, from seed to harvest. Whether you're growing on a farm or in your backyard, with the right care, brinjal can reward you with both taste and profit. Now tell us, what's your favorite brinjal recipe? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more practical farming guides. Until next time, happy farming!